Today, there are over 3.5 million Class A CDL drivers actively working across the United States. Every day, they are the backbone of our economy, delivering the essentials that keep America moving forward. If you stop and think, everything you're touching right now, from the paper towels in your kitchen to the clothes you're wearing, even the car you drive, everything was delivered by these dedicated professionals. These drivers are the ones who keep America moving, no matter what. Out on the road, they face long hours, sleeping in their trucks, and often struggling to find parking. They balance staying healthy while constantly on the go, all while navigating through traffic, sometimes even getting cut off. They make incredible sacrifices, missing family events, holidays, and important moments at home. But they do it all with pride and honor. Why? To provide for their families, to ensure that our nation keeps running smoothly. So, during this Driver Appreciation Week, we want to take a moment to recognize their hard work, their dedication, and their perseverance. We want to say thank you to each and every driver who keeps America moving. You are the true heroes of the road, and we honor you for everything you do.
Thank you.
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 Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, you are.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.